Hey guys, it's me, Lauren, and I'm back for another video. And today's video is me doing the Joker look, and I'm putting on my makeup right now. And yeah, I'm doing not like the original Joker look, but I'm doing like my own kind of Joker look, if that makes sense. And it's going to be very, special. I'm gonna have special effects makeup at the end, so. And on my hand I have the Joker mouth, the laughing mouth on his hand, like from Suicide Squad. Even though most people didn't like that Joker, but that's like the only movie I've seen that was with the Joker in it. Okay, now I'm starting on the diamond eye look from the new movie. I got this eye look from the new movie of the Joker that came out. I haven't seen it yet, but I got the idea from it. So I'm painting a, diamond look with black eyeshadow on my eye. And then I'm going in with a purple eyeshadow. On the outer eye, my eye, and in the inner part of my eye. And I'm doing the same look for over on my other eye with the same makeup I did it on the other eye. Now I'm painting my eyebrows green because I don't have a wig for this look, but I did it in my editing software where I got, put green hair on me. Now I'm putting the J on my right side of my face and the star on my left side of my face. And I'm gonna pause the video right now because I had to see how to do the damaged one on the forehead. And now I'm taking in wet glue and putting it on the sides of my cheeks because this is where the special effects makeup comes in at. And I put on some toilet paper, rolled it up, and you basically put it on your face, the toilet paper, to make like the thing I'm doing right now, that's what you do. You put it on your, face, and then you take more glue to put it down. Like, it's like, ceramics, when you go and have an art class, the ceramics, where you dip like the newspaper into the glue and then get that and then put it onto like roll up newspaper, you know what I mean? It's like that. So just go and put toilet paper on your face and then put the glue over top so it will stay down to your face. I was kind of having trouble on this one side because it wouldn't stick to my face and it kept on sticking to my fingers, and yeah. And then take some scissors and cut in little slits on, don't cut your skin, just get close enough so you can make a slit inside, the paper, the toilet paper glue thing on your face. The toilet paper is used to make false skin. I jumped there and put some foundation on my face over the thing so it looks like your skin, and I basically took some red eyeshadow and just pat it on my skin. And as you're doing this, please, you better get like a spray bottle ready so you can spray, the fake wound so it looks real. So you just pat on the red, and then take your black eyeshadow and put it in the middle of the slit that you made earlier, and then take in some red and dab it in the black area. And then do the same steps on the other side of your face. And you can also take in some purple and to make it look like you are like bruising on where it's opened at. Now take your lip liner and outline your lips before taking your red lipstick and putting it on your lips, because Joker has red lips. Okay, I have my fake blood hair, which is made of honey and food color, and you just dab it in the inside where the black is and have it drip down, and that's my look, guys. I hope you like it. Bye.